Hey guys, welcome back. We are continuing on our 2015 Volkswagen Golf. Just getting ready to put the amp wiring kit in. We're using the T-Spec 4-gauge amp wire kit. Has your 4-gauge OFC wire and fuse holder. I'm currently making a plastic mount for the fuse holder. So let's take you over to the vehicle and show you what we're doing. Alright, what I'm looking at here is we're going to take our mount. It's going to go to that bolt back there, and then the fuse holder is going to sit right there, easily accessible, not in the way, won't get in the way of if you have to take the radio out. So it should be perfect for it.
Come on at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yeah, we're back today. We just finished off this car, 2015 Golf. Got the wire coming off the positive, going to that fuse holder. You saw it being made earlier. Going way up, right there. You can see the wiring still covered. Goes along here, made it look like the factory. Then we had the old school MTXs, the Thunder TC512s. Put the amp underneath the floor mat with a line-out converter, tapped in off the rear speakers. Time to let you hear it.
That dick and she handles her liquor. I'll knock a bitch out and fight. Coming out swinging like Tiger Woods' wife. She could get a little hasty. Chicks better cover up their chests like pasties. Couple girlfriends and they all a little crazy. Coming down the street like a parade. Macy's. I fill her up. Balloons. Test her and guns get drawn like cartoons. But I ain't talking about Homer. The shit so bad the whole crew wanna blow her.
Alright guys, thanks for sticking around. That music, that was just off of the radio. I believe it was off of satellite radio or Spotify. Don't own any rights to it. But I know this is kind of a shorter one. But I just did the highlights on the fuse holder, the wiring, the final look, and the final sound. So he's done today. He's happy. He's going to go and make some noise. In the meantime, click that subscribe button, click a like, hit that notification so you know when the next one comes. And above all, stay warm, keep it loud.